Hey there, fellow travelers. Planning a cruise adventure? It's exciting, isn't it? The romance of the open sea, the thrill of exploring new destinations, the promise of endless buffets. But before you set sail, I'm here to help you make the most of your trip. Think of me as your friendly travel guide, sharing some tried-and-true tips to ensure your cruise is smooth sailing from start to finish. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or a first-timer dipping your toes in the water, these tips will enhance your experience and help you navigate the sometimes choppy waters of cruise travel. So, grab your captain's hat, settle in, and let's chart a course for an unforgettable cruise adventure. Stick around to the end for some bonus tips. Trust me, you won't want to miss them. Picture this, you're sailing into a breathtaking harbor, the sun sparkling on the water, and you're about to step ashore in a brand new place. Exciting, right? But before you rush off, let's talk about why researching your destinations is crucial. Each port has its own unique personality, hidden gems, and local flavors. Do you want to spend your day at a bustling market, soaking up the local culture? Or maybe you'd prefer to relax on a secluded beach, far from the crowds? Knowing what interests you most will help you prioritize your time. Think of your research as a treasure map, guiding you towards the best experiences. Websites, travel blogs, and guidebooks are your trusted companions. Look for off-the-beaten-path recommendations and local favorites. Imagine discovering a charming family-run restaurant serving authentic cuisine, or stumbling upon a hidden cove perfect for snorkeling. Those are the experiences that make a cruise truly special. Once you've got a feel for the destination, jot down some must-sees and do's. Are there any historical landmarks that pique your interest? Any local crafts or souvenirs you'd like to bring home? Having a plan, even a loose one, will help you make the most of your time in each port. Remember, time on shore is precious, so don't just wing it. By researching your destinations, you'll uncover hidden treasures, avoid tourist traps, and create lasting memories. Now that's what I call a bon voyage. Alright, let's talk packing. Now I know how tempting it is to stuff your suitcase with every outfit imaginable. But trust me, less is more when it comes to cruise travel. Remember, you're going to be exploring, not staging a fashion show. First things first, essentials. Pack light, breathable clothing for daytime adventures, a swimsuit or two, comfortable walking shoes, and a hat and sunglasses for protection from the sun. Don't forget sunscreen. The sun can be strong out on the open water and you'll want to protect your skin. For evenings, pack a few versatile pieces that can be dressed up or down. A nice pair of pants or a skirt, a button-up shirt or blouse, and a light jacket or sweater will do the trick. And ladies, a scarf or two can add a touch of elegance to any outfit. Now here's a space-saving secret. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. It really does work wonders. You can also use packing cubes to keep your suitcase organized and maximize space. Trust me, your future self will thank you when you're unpacking at the end of your trip. And here's another pro tip. Pack a small, reusable bag that you can use for day trips and excursions. This will keep your belongings organized and easy to carry. Plus, it's a sustainable alternative to single-use plastic bags. Remember, packing light is all about being prepared without overpacking. By choosing versatile clothing items and utilizing space-saving techniques, you'll be able to fit everything you need without lugging around a heavy suitcase. Now let's talk about excursions. These are the adventures you'll have off the ship, the opportunities to delve deeper into the heart of each destination. And let me tell you, they are often the highlight of a cruise. But here's the thing. Excursions can fill up quickly, especially during peak season. That's why I always recommend booking them in advance. This way you're guaranteed a spot on the tour, and you can relax knowing that everything is taken care of. Think of it like this. You wouldn't wait until you arrived at a Broadway show to buy tickets, would you? The same principle applies to cruise excursions. By booking ahead, you're securing your place in the front row of the action. Plus, many cruise lines offer discounts for booking excursions in advance. That's right, you can save money and avoid disappointment by simply planning ahead. It's a win-win situation. When choosing excursions, consider your interests and the amount of time you have in each port. Do you want to explore ancient ruins, sample local cuisine, or go on a thrilling zip-lining adventure? The possibilities are endless. All aboard for fun onboard activities you won't want to miss. One of the things I love most about cruising is that there's never a dull moment. When you're not exploring exciting ports of call, the ship itself becomes a floating city of entertainment and activities. Think of it. Swimming pools, water slides, mini golf, live music, comedy shows, cooking demonstrations, dance classes, and so much more. It's like having a whole amusement park right at your fingertips. And the best part? Many of these activities are included in the price of your cruise. That's right, you can enjoy hours of entertainment without spending an extra dime. Talk about a bargain. Now I know it can be tempting to spend your entire cruise lounging by the pool with a good book, and hey, there's nothing wrong with that, but I encourage you to step outside of your comfort zone and try something new. Take a dance class, learn how to make sushi, belt it out at karaoke night. You might just surprise yourself. Cruises are a fantastic opportunity to embrace your inner child and let loose. And who knows, you might even discover a hidden talent or passion you never knew you had. So go ahead, dive in and make the most of all the amazing onboard activities available to you. Stay healthy on the high seas. Tips for a comfortable cruise. Now let's talk about staying healthy on your cruise. There's nothing worse than feeling under the weather when you're supposed to be having the time of your life. But don't worry, with a few simple precautions you can stay happy and healthy throughout your journey. First and foremost, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water, especially when you're out and about exploring. The sun and sea air can be dehydrating, so it's important to replenish your fluids regularly. Next, pack a small first aid kit with essentials like pain relievers, motion sickness medication, bandages, and antiseptic wipes. It's always better to be prepared for minor ailments. And speaking of motion sickness, if you're prone to it, be sure to pack medication and take it as directed. You can also try natural remedies like ginger chews or wristbands. Another important tip, wash your hands frequently, especially before meals. Cruise ships are like floating cities, and germs can spread quickly in close quarters. Frequent hand washing is one of the best ways to prevent the spread of illness. Finally, listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. Cruising can be tiring, so don't feel like you need to be on the go all the time. Relax, recharge, and enjoy the journey. Cruising on a budget. Smart spending tips for savvy travelers. Let's be real, cruises can be expensive, but they don't have to break the bank. With a little planning and savvy spending, you can enjoy an incredible cruise experience without blowing your budget. First things first, understand what's included in your cruise fare and what's not. Typically, your cruise fare will cover your accommodations, meals in the main dining room, and most onboard entertainment. However, drinks, specialty dining, excursions, and gratuities are usually extra. One of the best ways to save money on drinks is to bring your own. Most cruise lines allow you to bring a limited amount of non-alcoholic beverages on board, such as bottled water, soda, and juice. You can also often bring a bottle or two of wine for enjoyment in your cabin. When it comes to dining, take advantage of the complimentary options available. The main dining room offers a variety of delicious meals at no extra cost. And if you're feeling peckish between meals, there are usually casual eateries on board that offer complimentary snacks and light bites. Another tip, be mindful of your onboard spending. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of the moment and rack up a hefty bill on souvenirs, drinks, and spa treatments. Set a daily budget for yourself and stick to it. And finally, don't forget about gratuities. Tips are an important part of cruise ship culture, and are how many crew members make their living. Most cruise lines will automatically add a gratuity charge to your onboard account, but you can always adjust this amount up or down based on the level of service you receive. Make every moment count. Tips for maximizing your time. Time flies when you're having fun, especially on a cruise. Before you know it, you'll be waving goodbye to the ship, wishing you had more time to savor every moment. But don't worry, with a little planning, you can make the most of every precious minute of your cruise vacation. First and foremost, familiarize yourself with the ship's daily schedule. This will outline all the activities, entertainment, and dining options available each day. Highlight the events you're interested in and plan your days accordingly. Don't be afraid to set your alarm and wake up early to catch a sunrise over the ocean. It's a magical experience you won't want to miss. Plus, you'll have the pool and decks practically to yourself. If you're planning on spending time at the pool, arrive early to snag a prime sunbathing spot. Trust me, those lounge chairs fill up fast. And don't forget to pack a good book, your sunscreen, and a refreshing beverage. When it comes to dining, be strategic with your reservations. If you have your heart set on trying a particular specialty restaurant, make your reservation as soon as possible. These restaurants tend to book up quickly, especially on popular nights. And finally, don't be afraid to disconnect from technology and truly immerse yourself in the moment. Put down your phone, close your laptop, and savor the beauty of your surroundings. Talk to your fellow passengers, engage with the crew, and create memories that will last a lifetime. And there you have it, my friends. 7 essential tips to help you navigate the exciting world of cruise travel. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready for an unforgettable journey on the high seas. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy cruising.